Hello guys, Huawei has launched their P30 combo, that is P30 and P30 Pro. So both the phones look one and the same, but there are key differences. So let us discuss those differences between Huawei P30 and Huawei P30 Pro. Firstly, the display. Huawei P30 Pro is a bigger device than Huawei P30. Huawei P30 Pro comes with an 6.47-inch of Super AMOLED display, and Huawei P30 comes with an 6.1-inch of Super AMOLED display. Both the phone comes with a teardrop notch. Coming to the processor, here both the phones are same. Both the phones are having or powered by Kirin 980, which is the most powerful processor available in current time. P30 Pro comes with the 8GB of RAM, whereas P30 comes with the 6GB and 8GB RAM variants. Both the phone starts from 64GB internal storage. P30 Pro supports up to 512GB internal storage. Coming to the camera section, Huawei P30 Pro is a quad camera and Huawei P30 is a triple camera. So Huawei P30 Pro is having 4 cameras at rear, that is 40MP of wide angle lens plus 20MP of ultra wide angle lens plus 8MP of telephoto lens plus a TOF camera. So this makes it a quad camera at the rear, whereas P30 is having a triple camera, that is 40MP of wide angle lens plus 16MP of ultra wide angle lens plus 8MP of telephoto lens. So this is a triple rear camera of P30. Talking about the selfie camera, both the phones are having 32MP of selfie camera to take a very detailed pictures with very effective and very beautiful portrait pictures. So this is the camera section of both the phones, where both the phones differ from each other. So talking about the battery section, Huawei P30 Pro is coming with a 4200 mAh of battery, whereas Huawei P30 is coming with a 3650 mAh of battery. So Huawei P30 Pro is having a wireless charging support with a reverse charging too. Huawei P30 is not having a wireless charging support, whereas both the phones supports faster charging, and really faster charging is supported by both the phones. Talking about the pricing, here there is a major difference. Huawei P30 is $200 lesser than the Huawei P30 Pro. Yes, you heard it right. Huawei P30 will cost you around $900, whereas Huawei P30 Pro will cost you around $1100. So these phones are already launched on 26th of March 2019, will be available soon in your country. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel for such kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.